Marhaba, Lebanon. Yesterday I arrived in Beirut and today I've ventured out of the city to see two things: how beautiful Lebanon is and what the trash problem is like here in Lebanon. So we're down by a beautiful river and we're gonna see just exactly what is the trash pollution problem like in Lebanon. Let's do it. We've just parked the cars, we haven't even gone inside the entrance yet, and already I'm surrounded by plastic. Look at this. It's just everywhere, and I think it's only going to get worse when we actually get inside of the park. I'm going to go catch up with the guys and begin exploring. So we're walking through a series of tunnels to get to the upper parts of the lakes. It's actually called Yahchouch. Probably pronounced it wrong, but I'll put the title here. And it's off limits, but we know some people who want to let us inside. We've already walked through 4 really long tunnels on our way to the upper parts of the river. On the side of the path and on the roads here in Lebanon, it just seems that you throw your stuff to the side and don't worry about where it ends up. This is the edge of the path here in Yahchouch. Guys, we're so far away from the city, so far out of Beirut. It's a really remote area out here by the river, but still, look at all of this plastic. It's everywhere here. I've seen at least 1,000 plastic bottles on the way in, and we've been walking for 20 minutes. It's honestly crazy. There's a lot of places that are trashed around the world, and Lebanon is joining that list. For me, it's been really, really dirty. Having said that, it's also a beautiful place. We're about to go and enjoy a little cliff jump spot. We'll be cleaning this place up as we leave, filling up our adventure bags. I've warmed up again in this beautiful Lebanese sun, so let's go explore the underwater world of the river. Okay, I think it's time to start collecting our adventure bag, so in we go. One adventure, one bag. Okay guys, this is Michel from Lebanon.
Hey guys.
Michel, what do you think about the plastic pollution out here in Lebanon?
So it's kind of sad that places as beautiful as this place has lots of trash, especially plastic. So we gotta start somewhere.
What do you think is a solution for Lebanon?
Like cleaning up the same place over and over again won't fix the problem. So we gotta raise awareness to the people, like educate them about how they can reduce plastic pollution and keep places like these clean as possible, because eventually how can they come to the same place over and over again and spend time in front of their own garbage?
Okay, we finished at the cliff jumping spot. One cleanup down. Now we are heading to the waterfall. Michelle is leading the way. We're lucky to have a local showing us these spots, and we actually find out that this place is off limits because it was so trashed. So it's a good example of what happens when people don't look after the nature, huh?
Feel it out, feel it out. Maybe we can feel it out, feel it out. Let's see what this could be. Let's feel it out, maybe we can feel it out, feel it out. We gotta try it. Feel it out, feel it out. We've gotta try it.
Look how beautiful this waterfall is. But I want to show you something. Wait for this.
Anything to know I'm on your mind. I try to say it 'cause you hate it when I can't decide. So when you go, you need to know that I'll be right behind. Far away from here, I could be finding other reasons, but I need away from here, where we can finally make it, you and I. Where we can finally make it, you and I. Where we can finally make it, you and I.
That's one way to get down there. So we're gonna clean up this pit of rubbish before we head back down. This is the fun part when you collect an adventure bag. You have to carry it all the way out.
You're holding me against my will. I'm falling free.
Okay, we are coming to the end of the day, but we have one final challenge. As if carrying this bag all the way back to the start wasn't a challenge enough. We now have to scale back over the wall with our bag of trash. Michelle, is it possible?
We'll see.
Look at that.
Barbed wire.
Okay, we'll watch the locals first.
Locals first.
You look like you're gonna throw it at him. Okay, we made it safely over the fence. That's the end of the vlog. What did we learn today? Lebanon, incredibly beautiful. Lebanon, big trash problem, just like we've seen all over the world already. What can we do about it? Reduce our personal single-use plastic consumption. Talk a lot to our politicians for big changes, and also spread the movement, spread awareness about the Adventure Bag crew, about Clean Cliffs, who I'm with today, about all organizations doing things to promote our environment. Remember, do your bit. when you go out in the environment, when you go out in nature, remember to do your bit, do more than your bit. Collect the trash of other people, set a positive example, and enjoy yourself as well. Today we had great fun at the waterfalls, pick up the trash, and it's a good day out. Now we go home, watch the sunset in Beirut. Take care, guys.